Hey everyone, welcome back to lizfenwickdiy. In today's video, I have a thrifting haul to share with you. I actually got some items today at the thrift store, and then I picked some stuff up this weekend at like flea market slash antique stores. So I'll show you everything that I got and what I paid for it. A lot of the things I've been thinking about for fall. So I'll let you know kind of what my plans are for these items. Okay, so the first thing that I grabbed was this little tiered tray, and I picked this up at a antique store for $14, which is a little bit more than I would normally pay for it, but I just kept looking at it and I couldn't turn away from it. And it's really cute. I thought it would be adorable white. My idea on it was to put like pumpkins on different levels, and I thought it would be so cute maybe sitting out on the fireplace for this fall. So that's kind of my thinking on this. Next, I grabbed this little crate at my thrift store. It was $2.50, so that means I got it for $1.25. I don't like the hearts, but I like the little wood on it, so I thought maybe I could add something to the ends of these to cover up the hearts. I like using pieces like this just to set things out. They make good like shelves for different levels in your decor, so I grabbed that. I also found this wreath. It's like an oval wreath, and it was $2 at the thrift store, so I got it for $1. And I just thought for fall this would be good for making my own wreath. Leave me a comment below and let me know what type of wreath you guys would like to see this fall. I'd be happy to do any wreath that you guys are interested in. So I have a vision in mind for my fall mantle, and it comes with different brass candle holders. So I actually found several of these at the thrift store today. They're $1.50, so I got them for 75 cents each. And then these little smaller ones were 50 cents, so I got those for like $1.25, and I got, looks like, I think I got 3 of those. But I want them to look a little bit more worn. So do you guys know a trick for making your brass look more worn? If you do, let me know below, because they're just a little too shiny for me right now. Then I also grabbed this little crate right here, and it was $1.50, so I got it for 75 cents. And I thought it'd be cute. I was thinking putting a Christmas tree in here. Like, I thought this made a really cute little base for a tree. Whenever I'm thrifting, I'm always like thinking to those next holidays, because it takes a while to find things at the thrift store. So you want to make sure if you see something and it's for like the next season, just go ahead and grab it, because you know, it's hard to find things exactly when you need them. I found this shelf and I thought it was really cool. It's stained like a darker wood. It was $6, so I got it for $3. And I really loved like the scallop border on the front of this. I don't know what exactly I'm going to do with it. I'm planning to change out some things in my daughter's bedroom, Annabelle, my older daughter, so this might actually go in there. So I thought for $3 I would grab it. I always buy my books that I use for decorating at the thrift store. So today I wanted to grab some hardback books. Hardback books at my store are 50% off on the half price day. But what I did was I grabbed books that were in like blues, greens, grays, cream color, because I think those are going to be my fall colors that I'm using this year. So I just grabbed books that I thought would work in that color scheme. So I think, I won't show them all to you, I think I grabbed around 10. So I plan on using those to decorate this fall. If you guys follow me on Instagram at lizfenwickdiy, I showed this in my Instagram stories, and I spent $12 on it. And I believe it was probably like attached to a dresser at some point, but it's just this really cool architectural piece. I love it. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do with it yet. If you guys have suggestions for what to do with this, please let me know. I could make it into a mirror. I don't even know if I want to paint it, but I really love it and I thought it was cool. So I went ahead and bought that at an antique store this weekend. So this next item was actually one of my first finds that I made. So I've been wanting to do a basket on my front door for the fall. But all of the baskets that I saw at the thrift store were just like really small. So I came across this one and it is a good size. Like, it's got a flat back. This is what it looks like on the bottom. It was $9 and I thought this would really be substantial on my front door for fall. So my idea is that I'm just going to fill it up with pumpkins. Probably won't paint it just because, you know, this wicker look is really in right now. So I probably won't paint it. But I was excited to find that piece. Another thing that I grabbed at the thrift store was this little tray, and it says Merry Christmas on it, and it was $5, so I got it for $2.50. And I don't know, I kind of thought, do I need that? But then I thought it could make a really cute little display because I'm always looking for like trays to put things in, so I could put it out on a table and then maybe add, you know, different things in here. So I thought it made a nice base. So went ahead and grabbed that. I don't even think it really needs to be painted. I mean, I like the Merry Christmas. I like the color of wood. So this just might go as is. But that's okay. I don't have to paint everything. So this next thing, I don't know. I almost didn't get it. So it is a shelf and it's from Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby had this on clearance for like $7. My thrift store had it for $3.50. So that means I got it for $1.75. And it's just a shelf. I really liked the scallop border. So I went ahead and got it because I thought even if I don't use it as a shelf, I could take apart the components and use it for a DIY project, because I really liked this little piece right here. If you guys have any suggestions for what I should do with this, leave them in the comments below. I'd love to know what you think I should do with this. Okay, so the next item, I was excited to find this. So I found this topiary and it had all of this craziness on it. It was $4, so I got it for $2. But if you look at it, it has a really nice pot. And if I take all this off, it's literally just like a regular topiary underneath. So I thought, and it's huge. So I thought for $2, I could just either take everything off or I could add some moss up here. I don't really know, but I thought it was a good deal. For what it is. Maybe I could even do something Christmas related with this. I don't know. Let me know if you guys have any suggestions. Okay, that is a look at my haul. You guys know I will be doing some trash to treasure videos with these items. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, you're going to want to do that. That way you get notified whenever I upload my trash to treasure videos where I'm adding these items into my decor or just doing a makeover on them. And if you missed our last DIY, I'm going to link it right here so you can click on that and go watch it. And I'll talk to you guys in our next video. Bye!